You are welcome to my channel. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe. I am Okeke Chizoba, a teacher and an edupreneur. If you are new, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I make videos on how to make money online, tricks and hacks to make life better. If you want to make money online, click on the subscribe button, hit notification bell so that we get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to introduce us to a very beautiful platform and wonderful tool that we are going to be making use of in generating our content and also in doing a lot of things. So go to your Kiwi browser. You search for AIPRM for ChatGPT. It is an extension, a very powerful extension. You click on the first one, change to desktop site. You click on the first one. You click on add to Chrome. Remember, we are making use of Kiwi browser. Click on add to Chrome. Then you go back to your ChatGPT platform by using chat.openai.com. Try your possible best to update it, make it to be active. Then you open in an incognito mode. Then you go back again, go back to the platform again, chat.openai.com. Okay, click on continue. So by the left hand side, as you can see down part, you can see the AIP powered whatever. So this is it. This is a very beautiful platform that you can use to generate your content. It writes your content like in human form. It gives you 100% whatever you need. The prompts you need for your writing is going to do it for us. So in this case now, I'm going to use it for our keyword research. So based on what we have been doing since, we are going to use keto diets again. So let's see what this wonderful extension will do to us. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So this is just an introduction class on what this AIPRM for ChatGPT can be able to do. This is just a tip. So let's change to desktop size to get a better view. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So this is what we'll be using to generate our content. So see you in our next class. Thank you.